Here's a day in my life as a traveler nga gikan diri sa Iloilo for today's video, day. Tuwang-tuwa talaga ako sa intro ni Cindy at parang nahawaan na yata ako. Anyway, it's another day off para ikutin itong festive walk dito sa Iloilo. It's impressive how this area in Iloilo City has become a hub for both business and leisure. At ito nga ang BPO companies na nakahilera lang at pagpipilian mo na lang talaga kung saan ka mag-a-apply. The mall's location is also perfect for professionals working in these industries, offering easy access to all the amenities and dining options the mall has to offer. And this is the Iloilo Convention Center. Let's say the Icon. Located in the heart of the business district in Iloilo, the Icon serves as a venue for different events like corporate, special events, and even concerts. Just like, for example, this upcoming Welcome to My World concert of Sir Jed Medela here in Iloilo. Next, we're stopping by the Richmond Hotel. It's a great place to stay if you are visiting Iloilo. It's a top choice for both business and leisure travelers. And now we are heading to Festive Walk Mall. It is a great place where we can go shopping and dining, and also to kick off our adventure. It's packed with shops, cafes, and a fantastic food court. May pa-fountain pa nga sa bunga nitong mall. And marami talagang nagtitinda rito from pagkain, accessories, to handmade bags na kasing ganda ng bags ni Heart Evangelista. I must say, so kung gusto mo rin ito ay mag-visit ka na rito sa Iloilo. Akyat naman tayo sa taas para makita ninyo kung gaano kalawak ang lugar. O diba, very refreshing, very cutesy, and very stylish. World-class work of art. Marami ngang restaurant na pwede ninyong pagpilian. Kaya perfect itong mall kung nagbabala kayo mag-family bonding. Sa pagpasok nga natin sa mall ay haharanahin ka ng mga nagbabasking. Pansin mo talaga na napakaraming magagaling na Ilonggo singers or artists. So, meron din ditong Power Max Store, Cinema, and Voila. May pa-car display pa nga ngayong araw. Sa totoo lang ay halos kumpleto na rito sa loob nitong Festive Walk Mall. Tara, samahan niyo akong bumili ng paborito kong drink, ang lemon. Kaya, if you're ever at the mall, make sure to stop by and try this out. At dito lang yan sa Festive Walk Food Court. Malawak din itong food court at napaka-comfy. Ang lamig dito, tsaka the best part is that may pa-TV sila at may free charging area pa nga. Napapansin ko nga rin maraming estudyante rito at maraming pagkain na pwedeng pagpilian. Now that we're fueled up, it's time to go shopping. Pansin ko nga na wala na akong maayos na damit panglakad dahil puro na talaga kupas na ang kulay. Dahil sa syempre sa paulit-ulit ko na siguro nasuot. Ito talaga yung favorite part ko sa pagsha-shopping, yung kukuha ka ng damit tapos papasok ka sa fitting room at magpi-picture-picture. Ako lang ba? Ito nga at pumipili ako sa dalawang shirt na to kung saan babagay. Maroon ba or white? Ano kaya bagay sa akin? Sige nga, comment down below kung anong mas bagay na kulay sa akin. Pagkatapos nga nito ay dumiretso lang ako sa Festive Walk Grocery Store para bumili ng kailangan namin sa bahay. Tara, at samahan ninyo ako ikutin itong Korean Town dito sa Festive Walk. Bakit ba maganda pumunta rito sa Korean Town? Una sa lahat, maraming samgyeopsal restaurant dito. Talagang pagpipilian mo na lang kung saan ka kakain. Iba't ibang style at pati nga sa second floor nitong building ay meron din. Pangalawa, maraming nagtitinda rito sa daanan mismo. Iba't ibang klase ng pagkain, drinks at gamit. Pangatlo, para kang nasa Europa. Yung tipong naglalakad ka rito tapos meron siyang abroad vibes. Very colorful, very clean, and very Instagrammable. Sikat na sikat nga itong disenyo nila lalo na tuwing gabi kung saan ay may pailaw pa. Maraming tao ang nagtitipon-tipon dito tuwing hapon hanggang sa gabi. And it's not just about the lights. Minsan ay may pa-live performances dito or event and the energy is infectious. Just look at these amazing decorations. It's such a lively and a joyful place to be. Napakalawak nitong Festive Walk and pwede pa nga mag-park ng mga sasakyan and sasakit rin paa mo after mo matapos lakarin itong kahaba-habang daan. Maraming wall painting dito na pwede ninyong gawing background while taking pictures. And that wraps up today's adventure. From the Festive Walk Mall's food court to the dazzling Festive Walk event and finally to the vibrant Korean town. It's been an incredible day. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite part, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one. Annyeong!